At this point, mga darling, sit down na. Buwan natin ang mga unan. Tawagin din natin, of course, si Direk Noel and Miss Mel Del Rosario, our writer. Opo, lahat po makikiusap lang po kami, lahat ng camera please, sa gilid lang po tayo para yung mga nasa likod makita rin yung kung ano nagaganap.
Ganyan lang, baba na lang. Okay, please. Cameras on the side for you lower down.
Kung hindi, gigit na, wala ka
Kuya
makikita.
nasa gitna. Please. Please.
Parang sapaw mga
Pinapos na harap. Okay.
Okay na? Okay, so pabatiin po na natin. Direct. Good evening.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Maraming pong salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito at pagsuporta sa akin.
Miss Mer.
Good evening, thank you. At napaaga, kala ko 9 o'clock. Ngayon lang merong
Record ba?
midnight press con.
Tara. Tunayan natin, sige.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po for being here. Good evening.
At si Jaime, syempre. Hi.
Good evening, everyone.
Ang lakas na ng boses.
Hopefully you're excited as we are for this movie. Yes, thank you for coming.
Ayan, so tuloy-tuloy na tayo para hindi na tayo masyadong matagalan dahil baka abutin na tayo dito ng aking gabi, sabi nga ni Miss Mel. Sino po ang gustong magtanong ng una sa ating press friends? Ha? Wala si Jane. Glenn, Gondola.
Hi James and Nadine. Congrats.
Thank you.
Hindi, tanong ko lang, how are you now now that you're as a couple now, and how do you find your kissing scenes now that you're already real couple?
Now that we're a couple, ang sarap magtrabaho. I think we said that before. Because you recently get out of bed in the morning, and it's very much happy, and I think it comes out in the movie. So yeah.
Sa kissing scene naman po, wala naman pong naiba. Same pa rin po, kahit dati sa Otwal.
Kasi di ba, mas nakikita sa mata niyo together.
Sorry po?
Your eyes speak much realistic when you're doing those scenes na into love scenes together na you're in couple.
Mas may sparkle pa ate? Yun ba ibig mo sabihin?
Yes.
Sorry po, hindi ko po marinig.
Mas may glow, may sparkle